Good morning, everyone. So this morning I'm on my way to Trader Joe's to do a little shopping, and then I'm going to go home and do a meal prep video. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back from Trader Joe's, and this is everything that I purchased. I got a bag of their Mandarin orange chicken. I haven't had this before, but I've heard great things. A few bags of chicken fried rice. This is very good. A bag of their vegetable fried rice. A few bags of mixed vegetables. a container of their zucchini noodles, grilled chicken strips, and the balsamic vinegar and rosemary grilled chicken. I got a few of their chomps. This is the turkey flavor. And this is their beef flavor. A few packages of their broccolini or baby broccoli. And their tea tree tingle shampoo and the conditioner as well. And then the last thing I purchased were the Scandinavian swimmers, which are gummy candies, and they are delicious. So this is a typical Saturday morning. My daughter and I are in the kitchen debating over what to watch on television. Also, my little dog, Nala, is in there with us. So I believe my daughter wanted to watch The Walking Dead, and I wanted to watch the ID channel, which is the Investigation Discovery channel, and I won. So here I'm preparing my countertops, cleaning my dishes. I ordered meal prep containers from Amazon, so I washed those out. If you guys want to get your hands on those, I'll leave a link in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and get started.